better life to the people, for ensuring stability in the country, and for realizing the hopes and aspirations of our people, by His Highness Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. Good morning, everyone. It is my honor to welcome you all on this special day to celebrate UN Day. I, Tanya Siddiq, greet you all on behalf of the school. The UN Charter was drafted against the backdrop of the horrors of World War II to create an organization that could bring countries together to preserve peace and help build a better world. A lot has changed since 1945, but I strongly believe that the world still needs the UN to preserve peace, promote development, and protect individual human rights. As the former Secretary General of the United Nations, Mr. Kofi Annan, once said, more than ever before in human history, we share a common destiny. We can master it only if we face it together. And that, my friends, is why we have the United Nations. The theme of the United Nations this year is to build back together for peace and prosperity, promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development, provide access to justice for all, and build effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels. We shall begin the assembly with the national anthem followed by the surah.
Please stand in attention for the UAE national anthem. Students, sing along with pride.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وقال اركبوا فيها بسم الله مجريها ومرساها إن ربي لغفور رحيم. وهي تجري بهم في موج كالجبال ونادى نوح ابنه وكان في معزل يا بني اركب معنا ولا تكن مع الكافرين. قال سآوي إلى جبل يعصمني من الماء قال لا عاصم اليوم من أمر الله إلا من رحم وحال بينهما الموج فكان من المغرقين. وقيل يا أرض ابلعي ماءك ويا سماء أقلعي وغيض الماء وقضي الأمر واستوت على الجود وقيل بعدا للقوم الظالمين. صدق الله العظيم.
This year's UN Day celebration follows a hybrid format with part live and pre-recorded performance following physical distancing protocols. Education is no allegation of knowledge, but the formation of character. I now call upon our principal, Dr. Reshma, to enlighten us with her inspiring words.
Assalamu alaikum and a very happy morning to all. Greetings on the occasion of United Nations Day. What does it mean to celebrate the United Nations Day? Celebrating United Nations Day is a way of acknowledging the tireless and good things the United Nations organization is doing throughout. It is the day to celebrate the achievements of the UN and focus on the goals for working together to build a better world for everyone. For us, our own English high school is like a mini United Nations, aiming to achieve the goals in favor of human progress and better living with unity through the academic development of all our students of 39 nationalities. Unity is required all over, as it strengthens the will to change a prohibited framework. One person cannot perform all activities alone. She requires a team to achieve certain goals. When a team gets divided, each of its members falls. If there exists unity among people, then the chances of achieving goals will also increase. However, if there is a conflict among them, their strength will decrease. When we unite other individuals for a common goal, all of our mutual resources can amount to something powerful. If people divide themselves against their fellow humans and fight over petty issues, then they are ultimately damaging themselves. On this day, let's take the pledge to stick together and work in collaboration with others instead of working against each other. Working as a team is a sure shot to success. The United Nations has proclaimed year 2021 as International Year of Fruits and Vegetables, as an attempt to raise the awareness about the crucial role the fruits and vegetables play in human nutrition and sustainable developments. Fruits and vegetables not only keeps our body healthy, but it also adds wellness to our mind and happiness to our life. The term happiness means lucky, glad, fortunate for some people, and for some it means apt. But at the end, unity is of the great value in every aspect of life. Hence, dear all, never forget, united we stand, divided we fall. Thank you and have a positive day.
We now have our supervisors to deliver some motivating messages to us all. This is the time we are all waiting for. So without further ado, I take pride and honor welcoming you all to the Culture Extravaganza
Good morning, everyone. We have moral and social obligation to keep the world a better place to live, and hence, the importance of UN Day is paramount. Believing in the coexistence of divergent ethnicities and races, this day gives us wonderful promises of a brighter tomorrow. United Nations is not merely an international institution, but a symbol of humanity and most influential tool in disseminating the message of peace and equity. The world is waiting for a day where not a single life is perished on the streets, and where the echoes of bombshells is just a fanciful moment from a science fiction. If we assume water and food are indispensable for human existence, that is only a partial statement. If we didn't have institutions such as United Nations, many of us would have been exposed to violence, threatened with isolation, or deprived of our homelands, if not succumb to death. We need to enshrine the virtues of cooperation and mutual respect, and surely, I think schools are the best places to start with. It is a day devoted to strengthening the ideals of peace through observing nonviolence and ceasefire. It is our promise to the next generation that we have done our part to ensure peaceful tomorrows. UN Day is celebrated across the world to cement wonderful relationships among nations and cultures, and to help communities prosper day after day in every possible dimensions. A new lease of life promoted by creative dialogues and positive activities is ensured through the intervention of the United Nations. The UN makes us shake hands with our neighboring nations without the anxiety of turbulent tomorrows. Let us hold hands to work for a better tomorrow and keep our UN days more meaningful and productive. Thank you.
صباح الخير جميعا. في يوم الأمم المتحدة لدينا التزام أخلاقي واجتماعي بالحفاظ على العالم ليكون أنسب مكان للعيش فيه، وذلك من خلال الإيمان بأهمية التعايش لجميع الأعراق والأجناس، وقطع وعود رائعة ليكون غدا أكثر إشراقا. الأمم المتحدة هي مؤسسة دولية ورمز للإنسانية وأداة أكثر تأثيراً في نشر رسالة السلام والعدالة حول العالم. ووعود السلام لا تتحقق إلا بتكثيف الجهود الفعالة من أجل بناء غداً أفضل وتكاتف الأيدي حتى نعيش جميعنا في أوطاننا بسلام وأمن. والمدارس هي أفضل الأماكن التي ننطلق منها حتى نضمن سلاما غدا. يجب تكريس جميع الجهود البناءة والمثمرة والحوارات الإبداعية والأنشطة الإيجابية من خلال دعم مسيرة السلام. فلنمسك بأيدينا نحو غد أفضل وتبقى أيام الأمم المتحدة هادفة ومنتجة. شكرا.
Let us act together now to defeat the pandemic, prevent climate catastrophe, uphold equality, and pave the way for a safer, healthier, more just, and sustainable world. We have the vision, we have the blueprint, we have the values of our charter. Let us be inspired by today's special assembly to work together for a better future. I want to thank the principal, supervisors, teachers, students who made this day a memorable one. All the participants, organizers, and performers had done their best to make this possible. I wish everyone